Hi, I'm Greg Seminara from Export Solutions, and you are going to love my database because in less than 2 minutes, you could have contact information for food and consumer products distributors in 90 countries. Our proprietary database covers around 5,000 distributors, importers, and brokers of consumer products in 90 of the largest countries in the world. If your brand is normally sold through supermarkets or pharmacies, our database can be a valuable time-saving tool for you. Export Solutions database includes big distributors representing some of the world's most famous brands, as well as smaller distributors specialized in pioneering new brands like yours. Each distributor list provides basic information such as the distributor's website, contact person, and an email address. It also contains a snapshot of the key brands each distributor represents, as well as the distributor's specialty in the marketplace. It's easy. Distributor lists can be purchased by country or by category, and you can print your lists immediately online following payment from the Export Solutions website. Here's how it works. Simply select your countries of interest, put them into your shopping cart, pay via credit card, and then return to the Export Solutions website to print your lists. An annual subscription option with unlimited access to the entire database is also available. Export Solutions database has helped hundreds of companies like yours spend time selling to distributors versus searching for distributors.